Iceland could face largest volcanic eruption this year, threatening capital with gas pollution. Iceland has evacuated a nearby town and world-renowned geothermal spa after the country's latest volcanic eruption, the fifth since late last year, which officials say might be the strongest so far as the Icelandic capital Reykjavik is threatened by gas pollution. The latest eruption is now the biggest event to date, Guðmundsson said, adding there was about twice as much lava flow than the previous eruption in March. The volcano on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula began erupting again on Sunday morning, with lava reaching the evacuated small town of Grindavik, setting houses on fire about 1 month after an eruption in December forced hundreds of citizens out of their homes. The eruption was reported at 7:57 a.m., and in about 1 hour created an estimated 1,090-yard fissure of spouting lava, just 492 yards away from the northernmost buildings in Grindavik. A second fissure opened up by 12:40 p.m., the office reported, while the magma tunnel appears to have stopped beneath the town.